The Fetu Afahye is a festival celebrated by the chiefs and peoples of Cape Coast in the central region of Ghana. The festival is celebrated on the first Saturday in the month of September every year. The Fetu Afahye is celebrated annually by the Oguaa people of Cape Coast because in the past there was an outbreak of disease among the people that killed many. The people prayed to the gods to help them to get rid of the disease. Thus, the festival is celebrated to keep the town clean and to prevent another epidemic befalling the people. In this video, we shall delve into the history and rituals associated with the celebration. Do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Fetu Afahye is an annual festival celebrated by the people and chiefs of Cape Coast traditional area in the central region of Ghana. Once upon a time, there had been a plague in Cape Coast, as history has it. This was devastating and as such demanded that the people of Cape Coast call for an intervention from their gods. However, it is believed that the inhabitants of Cape Coast and its environs were able to eliminate this plague with the help of their gods, hence the name Fetu, originally Fetu, doing away with death. It is also observed to commemorate a bumper harvest from the sea as well as performing rituals to thank the 77 gods of Oguaa traditional area. The Fetu Afahye was once banned by the then colonial administration of the country, and specifically Cape Coast, and it was termed by the colonial administration as Black Christmas to depict the festival as a bad traditional phenomenon. The Omanhene at that time, who was named Osaberi Makojo Mbra the Fifth, and Eko Atta, debunked this conception as misleading. Between 1948 and 1996, the festival finally resumed after the religious struggle from various important personalities in the Oguaa traditional area. The festival is now used as a calendar for the farming season of the Oguaa traditional area, and this particular phenomenon is referred to as Afahye, meaning a loop of season. Preparations for the festival starts in the last week of August. During this period, Oguaa traditional area receives many visitors from all walks of life, as well as people from different parts of the country or outside the country who are natives of Oguaa State. The actual celebration follows on the first Saturday of September. Prior to the actual celebration of the festival, the Omahini of Cape Coast is confined for a week. During this period of confinement, he meditates and asks wisdom from the Creator, Obuazi, and the ancestors, as well as seeking medical attention where necessary from his physicians to enable him come out both physically and mentally fit for the impending activities, such as delivering his task for the success of the festival. At the end of the Omahini's confinement, he appears in public in pomp and dignity and goes to the stoolhouse to pour libation, seeking blessings from the 77 gods of Oguaa State, who the people believe steer the affairs of the Oguaa traditional area. The Fetu festival is climaxed with a grand durbar of chiefs and people of Cape Coast. On the day of the grand durbar, the Oguahini, paramount chief of Cape Coast, together with his sub-chiefs, are carried in a palanquin in a procession throughout the towns. The procession starts from Infanstipim School Junction to Chapel Square and finally Victoria Park, where the Grand Durbar takes place. The procession also includes the 7 Asafo companies of the Oguaa State. The Asafo Company were the military wing of the Oguaa State. Also, the people carry with them the 77 gods of the Oguaa State. During the procession, certain rituals are performed to cleanse the town of any evil spirit. The procession normally begins at 10 a.m. and lasts till sometimes 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. before the Oguahini would arrive at the durbar. The durbar is mostly attended by government officials and other traditional rulers from Ghana. Note, the Fetu Afahye is not all about rituals, but there are the fun part of the occasion. Let's enjoy these fun videos from the festival. Subscribe, share and like this video.